Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Colorado LT. For the month of June, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers over $700 off MSRP towards this specific vehicle. This front-wheel drive LT is a crew cab short box truck. This truck only has 14,455 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This Colorado comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, back tinted windows, and 17 by 8 inch custom aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating with the leather center console. We do have a relatively large back seat. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our standard Chevy MyLink radio and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.